Hello everybody, Daniel back here on Model Farmer 6710's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a collection video, collection tour, and the models I have, so we'll get into it. Here we have a 3640 over in the corner. I have light weathering on the wheels and I've taken the weight off it. I have a 6920S with wide wheels and a loader. I have a 7430 which I lost the cab when I was a young lad, but I said I'd throw it in there. We have a 7930 parked there. It's from Britain's. I got that a while ago. A 6210R, lightly weathered on the wheels. Lovely tractor, very nice. We have a John Deere 8R. It's from Britain's. The lights are only stickers, which is annoying, but other than that, grand model. We have a Seeku 8R, which is the old one. It's well nicer compared to the Britain's one. Yeah. We have a Fendt 1050 from Seeku. And we have a Fendt 939 by Seeku also. We have a Dite, I think it's Wicking or Universal Hobbies or something like that. I got it when I was very young and it was too delicate, I couldn't mind it, and the wheels ended up falling apart, but sure, look. We have a 6610 here with a weight, two-wheel drive, very nice model. TW25 with a convertible, with a Kuhn mower. Yeah, I have a 6600 Ford and it's downstairs and I couldn't find it, but I'll show it to you in a later video. A Manitou skid steer, that's Seeku. It's only like €12 or something. We have an 8560, very nice. It has a front linkage and weights, and you're able to take off the rear jewels. It's from a Replica Agri, I think. We have a New Holland T7, and we have another New Holland T7. That's from Universal Hobbies and it has a front linkage, and that's from Britain's. T8 from Seeku, a New Holland telehandler from Britain's, and we have a Land Rover from Britain's, and this Jeep from Seeku. I have this Steyr Panther with the trailer and the case combine. This is Britain's and I'm not sure what the case is, but it's a standard enough combine. And I got this I got this Volvo Valmet for Christmas, and I got this logging trailer with it too, and because I'm having a forest in my next farm. And yeah, that's that. Moving on to the next section, we have a county. It's an international county. It's not actually a county, but it looks like one anyway. We have 1455, 956XL, and a Case Puma. Little grey Ferguson I got off Brushwood, very nice, and Stephen gave me this loader for it. We got the Massey 399. I got that a while ago. Very nice model. Then we got this Massey 6616, I think, from Britain's. It's not the best model, like it's not detailed or anything, but it's grand, does the job. I have a Massey, what's this one now? An 8680 it is. That's from Seeku. We have a Vulture here. And we have a Class and another Class dual wheels. That's Wicking, and then that's Seeku. We have a JCB teleporter. It's nice there. A wheel loader from JCB. A newer one. A teleporter here, and a JCB tractor. We have a Spearhead hedge cutter. Double axle low loader. We have this I actually can't pronounce the name, but a nice cedar, very detailed, very delicate too, so we'll leave that where it is anyway. Very nice though. Over here we have a Kane silage trailer, a Converland cedar, Converland plough, a Strotman funnel feeder. We have a John Deere sprayer, a John Deere silage harvester, Dietz butterfly mowers. We have a John Deere mower. We have a Kuhn front mower, and we have a John Deere bale trailer there with a sweeper on it. We have a Fleming roller, and I'm actually not sure what this is. I'm not sure what it is. Cedar anyway. Cultivator by Bomford, and I made that homemade fuel bowser. We have a New Holland baler there, another John Deere trailer with a Fleming bale lifter on it, Ifor Williams trailer, double axle that came with the Land Rover. I got a Kane grain trailer, an NC dumper. I have this homemade trailer I made, and this trailer that came with the 7930. We have the windrower there with Converland plough, and we have the homemade trailer, and we have a Hitachi back there. So that's it for the video. I had to rush through it because I'm running low on storage, but please like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.